Welcome back to Reading My Old Writing. We found a journal from 2006 with a lot of my old school assignments in it. So I figured I would share them here and critique my own spelling abilities. As a young child, I was not as good at spelling as I am now. And I still struggle sometimes. I mean, that's life. That's normal when you work with words. Eventually you get it, but sometimes you still miss stuff. Regardless, I haven't read these before, and so I am reading them to you now for the first time and reacting to them with my instinctual reactions. We're going to start with the second quarter here. Alrighty, this one is called My Beautiful Place. The most beautiful place that I've been would be the mountains. Why the mountains are my beautiful place is there are lots of beautiful birds, animals, and nature. I like birds, animals, and nature. The mountains have a lot of pine trees and flowers. Mountains also have a lot of water. The good news is I finally figured out the correct spelling for a lot. I just forgot a space because it's actually 2 words. This is going to show my age here. Lost in a city. If I got lost in a city, the first place I would go is the police office. That's actually good advice. It's a good thing to do if you get lost in a city as a young child. But maybe spell it right. I would tell them what happened and hope they will help me. Then if they don't, I had a backup plan for if the police didn't work out. I would go to a payphone. If I had enough money, then I would call my mom. Then she would come and pick me up, give me hugs and kisses, and we would go home. Plan A, go to the police. Plan B, find a payphone. Oh boy, here we go. Writing. The snowstorm. Before a snowstorm, my backyard looks like any regular backyard that anyone could own. The air gets colder every second, the sky gets dark with clouds ready to let out snow, and then it starts to rain, then snow. During the snowstorm, I put on my snow pants, my coat, and my mittens and scarf. Then my sister looks out the window, gets her stuff on. I tell Mommy where we're going, and we go out to play in the snow that is falling. After 1 hour, there is enough snow. Enough. I was so close. Enough snow on the ground to make a snowman. After the snowstorm, my backyard is white. The end. I got so close to spelling enough correctly, and it makes sense when you hear it if you haven't seen it before. Also, just completely missing letters here. Not because I don't know how to spell a word. I do. I spelled it correctly earlier on the page, but after, I missed the T. What did we do before there was enough snow for a snowman? Little Jori, I want to know. If you like these videos, if you want to hear more stories like these ones, I have an entire playlist of reading my old writing, so go check that out if you want more like this, or just check out the rest of my channel for tips about writing and storytelling and insights to the publishing world. And if you want to get actually good short stories every month straight to your inbox, you can look down below. There's a little subscribe button. Until then, bye!